If you're looking to transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how you can easily move your accounting data from QuickBooks to Xero without the stress, saving you both time and effort. If you're new to Xero or just switching, you're about to see how it's done step by step. First, let's talk about why you might want to transfer from QuickBooks to Xero. Xero offers an intuitive user interface, cloud-based features, and robust accounting tools that many find more streamlined than QuickBooks. Plus, Xero's scalability makes it ideal for businesses that need to manage multiple users and handle complex reporting. But how do you get your data from QuickBooks to Xero? Let's dive in. Start by exporting your data from QuickBooks. You'll want to export your QuickBooks company file as a .qbo file or .iif file. You can do this by going into the File section of QuickBooks, selecting the Export option, and choosing the appropriate file format. Make sure to back up your data before you proceed. Once you've exported your QuickBooks data, you'll need to sign up for Xero if you haven't already. Don't worry, if you're new, you can access Xero with an exclusive free trial from the link below, which will give you an extended free trial to explore all the features. Now, when you've set up Xero, it's time to import the QuickBooks data. Xero offers a very helpful import feature under the Settings section. There's a specific tool within Xero designed to assist in migrating data from QuickBooks. You'll select the option to import your accounting file and follow the prompts to upload the file you exported from QuickBooks. If you're transferring customer and supplier information, you'll also want to ensure that Xero is properly mapping those fields from your QuickBooks export. Xero's import feature does a great job of automatically mapping most common fields, but you might need to make some adjustments depending on the complexity of your QuickBooks file. You should also import your chart of accounts, invoices, and financial reports from QuickBooks. Xero allows for a fairly smooth transition here, but you will likely want to double check that everything looks good in the final report. There may be a few things you need to tweak manually, especially if you're dealing with custom accounts or unique setups in QuickBooks. One important note, Xero doesn't currently allow for direct out-of-the-box data syncing from QuickBooks, so you'll need to use an intermediary method like exporting and importing your data manually, or consider using third-party apps to make the process easier. Apps like DataDear or MoveMyBooks can automate much of this process if you're dealing with a large volume of transactions. Once your data is transferred, take the time to check everything over, compare balances, review your accounts, and make sure your financial reports match up. Xero's support team is also available to help with any troubleshooting during this transition. It's important to note that while QuickBooks and Xero are similar in many ways, there are some differences in how they categorize transactions and handle tax settings. That's why before you go live with your Xero account, you might want to spend some time with Xero support resources or consider hiring an expert if you have complex needs. So if you're new to Xero and this transfer seems like a lot, don't worry. You can use our exclusive extended free trial to explore the software and see how it works for you. No strings attached. This will give you the time you need to learn the ropes and make the most of all Xero's features. And if you click the link below, you get this exclusive offer to help make your transition smoother. Remember, moving from QuickBooks to Xero is simple when you follow these steps. It's all about exporting your data, using Xero's built-in import tools, and double-checking your setup. With the right approach, you'll be up and running in no time. Don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive and extended free trial linked below to get started with Xero today and see the difference it can make for your business's accounting needs.